This tutorial will walk you through canceling or stopping a work request. A request can be canceled if it has not yet been issued. So if it's just been received and it's still in the assigned to work order status, it can be canceled. You'll see a cancel button over here. Once the request has been issued, the option to cancel it will no longer be available, but you could stop it instead. It's essentially the same thing, but the theory behind it is that if a request has already been issued to a craftsperson, he or she may have gone out into the field and performed some work, and then we decide that it needs to be stopped. So by stopping it as opposed to canceling it, it retains the craftsperson information and the work that they have logged against that request to date. So first of all, you need to locate the request that you wish to cancel. So launch your maintenance console, and there are a couple of ways that you can do this. You can either expand the status section where that request is, whether it be in assigned to work order or issued and in process, or you can come up to the top and use the filter fields. By clicking the More button, you will get many different options to search for a work request. The easiest is if you know the work request code, simply type it in here and click the filter button. The other option is to expand the status where the work request sits and visually find it. So if this is the request that I wish to cancel, I simply come over and click the cancel button. A dialog box will pop up asking me to input a reason for canceling. This text that you enter here will get sent to the requester in the status update email. So it may be something like, when you're finished, hit yes. The maintenance console will reload and that request will have moved out of your assigned to work order queue and is now canceled. The exact same process is followed to stop a work request. You simply need to find it in the issued and in process section or locate it again by using the filter fields at the top. So you would see if there was a request in here that you wanted to stop, you'll have a stop button as opposed to a canceled button. Simply click stop and then enter a reason for stopping and click yes to stop the request. That's all. Thank you for watching.